this way. The ears. Hi! Oh my gosh. It's so sunny out, but we are here in Hollywood Studios. I'm with Benji today. I'm going as Ariel bounding, kind of. Purple. But yeah, we'll see what rides we get on today. And we're watching some shows, so. We walked into a store, and it's all 4th of July. Look at the mini tote bag. I'm obsessed. And the giant tote bag.
If it was cold.
I know, if it was cold. I know. That's really cute. I like this waffle knit sweater. Or crew neck. It's so cute. Okay, there's this one. May the force be with you. That's cute.
I already have like 10 t-shirts.
I know, we have so many t-shirts. Oh, it's cute. Almost giving Captain America, actually. It's Marvel. It's Marvel coded, guys. Okay, so we're actually looking for a hat for Benji because he forgot his, and it's so hot and sunny. But look at this t-shirt. There's a Remy's t-shirt and a Kevin. Story. That's so cute.
Oh my god, how much it is?
I love these. If this was Rapunzel, that's mega. Still cute. Ariel, Cinderella. So we just found this. And Benji's shirt for Toy Story. That's so cute. It's iconic. And now we're looking at more stuff. Wait, from Up?
Muff is in the air.
Ellie, that's adorable. What is? I'm not sure where that's from. King Triton. Would my dad wear that? I don't know. We're looking for the tote bag that has the same design but with like leopard print. It's a tote bag that's so cute, but I don't know exactly where. Maybe on Sunset Boulevard. Benji, let's show off your hat. Cute. Hollywood Studios.
I love it.
Representing. It's so cute. And did you want to change into your Toy Story t-shirt or?
No.
No, later maybe?
Oh, yeah,
later maybe.
Later.
For Toy Story.
Yes.
No, today actually. The new song from Toy Story 5 with Taylor Swift, that came out today. We heard it on the way here. It was so good. It's so cute.
I love it.
I'm just like curious to see where they're gonna place that song in the film. Like, we'll see. Awesome. Starting in 6 minutes.
We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. I wish you would tell me why.
This is almost as bad as when I got my Mufasa tattoo removed and it left a scar. Hey, he's not that good looking.
Are you kidding me? Streaming?
Are you kidding me? Looks like the messed up wanted posters of Flynn Rider.
Oh my, I love those posters. You know what? I'm gonna say it again. He is whoa! Okay. Hello, Daddy. All right. That was for the ones we are spicing up the 11:30 a.m. show. Did the lights kick off your Crocs? Forget about Cool Kid Summer. This is middle-aged summer, everybody.
I mean, it's crazy. We finish each other's
Sandwiches.
That's what I was gonna say.
I've never met someone who thinks so much like me. Jinx, jinx again.
Our mental synchronization
Can't have but one explanation.
You
And I
were
just
meant to be.
Let it go, let it go. I walk with the wind that's fine. Let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry.
It exploded. Like sleds do, so they continued on foot.
But the
Winter's a good time to stay in and cuddle, but put me in summer and I'll be a happy snowman. When life gets rough, I like to hold on to my dream of relaxing in the summer sun, just letting off steam. Open sky. I don't have a skull or bones.
no, but on his hair shirt. Historians of Arendelle. Today's the Arendelle Festival. Kind of the perfect way to help celebrate.
Oh. Yeah, this is not what I had in mind. Could you say something, please, Chelsea?
Right. Well, usually something like this is going to take a lot of rehearsal.
Or a lot of fight performers.
Oh,
Help Alex up, get her on her feet, and apologize.
I'm so sorry, boss.
To her.
I'm sorry, Alex. Alex?
Folks, these are two of the best fight performers I have on my team, Chelsea and Alex!
Oh, yeah.
Great job, team! Well done, every fight, that's a wrap. Give it up one more time for the cast and crew of the Indiana Jones epic stunt.
We're gonna meet Olaf. Okay, so we're in line to meet Olaf. And then he changed into his Toy Story shirt. So iconic. So cute.
Thank you, Olaf.
Hello. Hi, Olaf. How are you? We just met Olaf. That was so cute.
He was so cute. I loved him. I love
so
him.
sweet. He was saying how he's ready for summer,
ready
and
for
he
tan.
actually found this 3-in-1 sunscreen for his carrot nose, and it's actually so perfect. And he's so cute. Anyway, he wished us all a happy summer. So this is literally the best way to start summer. So let's go to Star Tours. I think it's a 20-minute wait right now. So the park is kind of packed, but it's okay. We're gonna have fun. Guys. Darth Vader is meeting here. Oh my gosh, like I heard this was happening, but I didn't really see it until now. Benji's just freaking out.
Oh my god.
Fangirling over here.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. Okay, there's a Bounty Hunter series from Wishables. Wait. Oh my god. Oh, you could get Boba Fett, Din Djarin. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Fennec Shan. Wait. I love her. Oh my gosh. Stop. Since when? This is adorable. With this little, so cute. Did you see him? Look, Babu Freak. From the movie. And this guy. I think that's Babu Freak. Oh no. And Zelen. I guess that's the name of them. But you know. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at the pride balloons. That's adorable.
Wait, where's that?
Oh, that's gonna be Monsters Inc. Monsters Land? Yeah. For Humans Day. They said they're gonna open it for Humans Day. That's gonna be the celebration.
Humans Day?
Okay, so we're in Galaxy's Edge right now. I'm actually here for like one thing only. Well, no, we are gonna go on rides, but my favorite thing in here is the Black Calf Cold Brew. It's so good. I'm literally so excited for it. Okay, so there's this new Grogu cookies. We might be back for those. Ooh, white chocolate. Oh, with pineapple cream. Interesting. That's cool. Oh, I like buttered grains as popcorn. That's hilarious. Okay, this is my favorite. Gosh, this looks gorgeous. Oh my gosh. This is my go-go juice. Not alcohol, by the way. I didn't. I asked for extra cream though, so that's what it looks like. I'm so excited. Okay, cheers. Let's try it. I can't even drink it. That was amazing. It's time to mix it. Oh my gosh. I'm like, I don't even know. Just gonna. Guys, it's Kylo Ren. Benji's running. Oh. Benji. Wait, this little boy just. Oh my gosh.
So you want to check with test.
We just filmed like this little TikTok that I was trying to make. It's like, what is this? This is ridiculous. What am I doing here? I'm in the wrong story. That one, because I'm like dressed as Ariel in this area of Star Wars, Galaxy's Edge. So I thought it would be a funny little TikTok to make. And Benji helped me, so credit to him. Yeah, we took like 3 takes, I think, but we nailed it. We did good. And then we met Kylo Ren. Well, kind of. He walked by us, and we were like, I was starstruck. But Benji got a picture.
Yes, I got a picture.
There she is, Millennium Falcon. Oh, 35 minutes? Wait, that's not bad.
No.
Should we? So this is the new Mandalorian and Grogu mission on Smuggler's Run, so I'm so excited. Are they playing music? That's fun. I don't remember them playing music here.
I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments.
Remain seated and supervise movement.
Right, pilot. Make the jump to hyperspace, and good luck.
Hey.
Okay, so actually we were like ready and starting the ride in Falcon Smuggler's Run, but then the ride stopped, and I guess there was like some kind of malfunction, but it's okay. We waited a little bit, and then they had us all leave the ride, and it was fine. It's just then they gave us lightning lanes, so hopefully we can use it for Slinky. That's gonna be next. But yeah, we're walking into Toy Story Land. Take some pictures with Benji's new t-shirt. It's cute.
So
I know. And maybe get on Toy Story Mania. I think that game is fun. Yay! We just took pictures with Woody. So fun. Main Street. Oh, it's Marceline. That's in Disneyland. Have you guys seen the new Lego set of Main Street Disneyland? It's so pretty. I want to get it.
It's different.
So cool. California Adventure.
In just a few moments.
Cruella's outfit. So cool. From Seoul. I don't think it's open yet, but this is the animation studio area, the magic of Disney animation. Oh my gosh! Wait, look at Nick and Judy, Mirabelle, the sister Moana. Oh my gosh! I love this. It's good. Look at Tinkerbell. Oh my gosh! What? Okay, so this is supposedly where we're gonna do the animation, like Animation Academy that they had in Disney Animal Kingdom. Now it's gonna be here. Zootopia 2. I'm not sure what language that is, but that's so cute. And this one, this is coming soon. This is so cute.
Oh my god.
I know. There's so much to see here before it officially opens. Oh, Bambi and Aladdin. This is so pretty. Moana and Maui. That's so cool. Think Hero 6. Oh, I'm not crying, you are. Mirabelle. This is so... Oh my gosh. And Cusco. Robin Hood. Wait, there's more. Oh my. Tink. Oh. Brother Bear, Ariel, and the one and only Sorcerer Mickey. This is so cool.
I love this. That's really the best part.
The Tangled poster. I love that. There's like hidden characters here. I see one. Abu. On the... Okay, we can spot them later maybe. This area is so cute. Yeah, Zazu. This is so... I heard there's a pool.
One over there too.
There's what? Wait. Oh, there's Pluto. There's Mickey. And Dopey? I think that's Dopey. This is so cute. I love this courtyard. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh, is that? Oh, it's the bird. I think we're gonna see the Little Mermaid show now. Yeah. This area is so cute.
Sha-la-la-la-la-la, ain't that sad? Ain't it a shame too bad? You're gonna miss the girl. Ariel.
Daddy?
I'm sorry you had to lose your voice in order for me to hear you.
I love you, Daddy.
You got your food?
Yes, it's mac and cheese with fried chicken.
Yeah, it's fried chicken with mac and cheese and broccoli. Yeah, from Docking Bay 7. And I'm gonna eat this homemade sandwich I made. Yeah. Okay, so we're getting in line for single rider for Rise of the Resistance. Don't think there's anyone else in line for single rider, so this might be actually really quickly. Wait, this might... I don't know if it's focusing.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay.
You have what I want. Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Hate these two droids anyway. Power to your limit.
I need eyes on Beck. I know, Stanford's pocket.
Okay, now we're at Runaway Railway. We're gonna use our lightning lane from Millennium Falcon for this one. And first of all, look at all of the... Did you see the ground, Benji? Yeah. Look, Mrs. Potts. Wait, you're standing... Beauty and the Beast, Miss Potts. That's adorable. This is Harrison Ford. Oh. Okay, so we're still waiting in line, but we're looking at all the signatures. That's Macaulay Culkin from Home Alone. Then there's R2-D2. That's so cute. Hardy. Is that Daisy? We're gonna go to the Villains Unfairly Ever After. Ooh, Unfairly Ever After show. It starts in like 20 minutes. So. I love this pillow. Oh my god. And the rope drop Park Hop can't stop. That's funny. Wait, what is this one? Oh, the orange bird. That's cute. And then there's but Daddy, I love it. This purple one. Wait, this is. Oh my gosh. Wait. I can't. The Florida t-shirt, but in blue and orange. I love this. Oh my gosh. I have to go. I have to go. We're on the hunt for this one tote bag that says I love Walt Disney World, and it's leopard print, but I'm not sure. People have seen it in Disney Springs, but I don't know if it's in the parks too.
You.
Oh my
I got my sock.
gosh, I know. Wait, that's adorable. The beige.
Don't do it.
Oh, don't do it, he says. Okay, so the Rock and Roller Coaster starring the Muppets is open now. Look at the car. The music. Oh my gosh, maybe next time we'll go on it. Earlier it was at 100 minutes.
Wait, oh my
Yeah.
I can't judge, I just reflect. So what you see is what you get.
Misunderstood, dog. It's enough to make one say sports. It's pronounced to me.
I know.
You come to realize you've seen her kind of watching you underneath the wall.
The world's most famous rock. In the book, join up with Captain Hook. Now, when I say Captain, you say Hook. Captain, Captain.
The most misunderstood of all. Haven't you ever been forgotten?
Who's most misunderstood of all?
Captain Hook! Captain Hook! Captain Hook! Hook!
Who's the codfish now? Peter Pan. Now you're all part of me crew, so sing. So try the life. The villain always gets the last laugh.
There's one chocolate donut left. We're all just we all want it. Or I'm debating if I should try this. We got our donut. We're splitting it. Yay! We're trying this again.
Facts on this show is so good.
I know.
I love to have facts on this.
Yeah, they're so good. I love this part.
Excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together.
Oh my god.
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Remember to gather up all your personal.
Look at sparkle. Okay, so we're just chilling by the animation courtyard, or Walt Disney's animation courtyard, I believe it's called. And yeah, I think we're just gonna stay for one more thing, the wonderful world of animation by the Chinese theater. I'm so excited because I haven't seen that show in such a long time, so yay! Playing the Hawaiian roller coaster ride. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Yay!
Tonight's the night, right here at the Chinese Theater for Mickey's premiere.
Leave the segment belong to the men? I don't think so.
She's in love. I just love happy endings.
Gee, thanks everybody! It sure has been a whole lot of fun, but trust me, it's only the beginning.